only reason that light's on right now is because I have the solar panel unhooked to the point where I could put on my lighthouse, which now has like some sort of weird garbage can roof thing. Doesn't look exactly the way I wanted it to, but it's not that noticeable, so I just don't like it that much. Let me make it so this ladder doesn't rattle that much. This is actually kind of dangerous because it's slightly sprinkling right now. And it has been all day, so I'm using my GoPro to film this. Shit. Well, hold on. I should probably get that off first. But here, I'm gonna try to do this. Probably not gonna work. Oh, so it has to go something like this. If I'm correct. Hold on, let's see. Okay. Rain is still getting on that. Which way does it? I'm gonna go get a wrench. But I'm gonna just try to tighten this from here. I might be able to. I'm not quite sure though. I mean, like, yeah. I mean, it's already pretty tight on there. Ah, never mind. No, it's not. Oh, wait a second. No, I don't think it will reach from there though. Yeah, I better go to the other side and like get in here to do this. Here, I'll try to climb this because I'm gonna have to like reach in there anyways. But I just don't know. Also, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, this one. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to move this ladder. I'm gonna have to reach in there, and that's gonna be scary. I'm gonna have to adjust that. That's not at all how I want that to look. That's sketchy right there. I'm gonna have to dry off the connectors on that. Let's hope I could reach it with this ladder. Which, by the way, way easier to move. And I don't think there's a chance in hell that I'm gonna be able to reach it from this ladder, aren't I? Might just have to get in the cage and just be like, hey bro, hey no, no, okay, that's a no. It's not even. Let's hope. Let's hope to God. Let's also hope there's a spider crawling on my leg. And I don't know if that'll hold me. There's a spider crawling on my leg, isn't there? Oh. Scary as hell. But, and what did I say earlier? I think I got that pretty good, right? No I don't, apparently. Bakelite. It's gonna not good idea. Yeah, I think me plus this equals too much weight. Also implying that I'm fat. Hey, that's not anything new. That's a bit tighter. One more should do it. Right? No, that's alright, I guess. Here, I might see if I snapped it. I hope I didn't, because I don't think I did, but not quite sure if that's supposed to wiggle like that either, but I think I got that tight enough. Let's hope to God I do. And let's also hope to God that those connectors will not electrocute me. And let's also line this up to the center. Finally, little guy. Rain doesn't faze you, does it? Now, if it was downpouring, there's no way in hell I'd be doing this. but it's not, it's just barely sprinkling. Now it's probably downpouring on those mountains over there though. So let's see. Just gonna help. That looks about in the center, doesn't it? Hey, it's under the garbage can lid anyways, but wind. That is the problem. This is mainly for bird crap and stuff. I might want to put some tape over these connectors though. I mean, and I'll probably get this nailed down on here tomorrow. So there, and then I'm gonna go, and this kind of helps, right? It's bend into the shape of this a little bit. I mean, I was hoping it'd follow the whole curve, but like my grandpa's like, nah, if we did that, it would ruin the whole thing and you'd be SOL. Grandpa's cool, but like thinks I'm like trying to make it, thinks I don't want him to help me when that's like the exact opposite. Of course, need as much help as I could get. Expect that I did this all by myself? Well, probably not. Yeah, I mean, like, in fact, I probably did the least out of all of this. But I did a lot too. I still have to do some touch-ups on the paint. Like, I did all the painting. That's one thing I'm gonna say. I did all the painting except for on this. My grandma started without me for reasons unknown. But I did like 95% of the painting on this. So this took about like 4 days to paint, then I repainted over like the stripes when I brought it down here. Then I'm gonna have to repaint some of the white parts on here. But it's just a little bit of work, you know. McDermott Light and Signal Inc. Incorporated. Okay. I hope to God that's gonna be fine. Okay, now just time to move this ladder and check on everything up there. Make sure I didn't snap the Bakelite. Well, plastic. Bakelite. The only reason why I know about Bakelite is because being that we play in World Geo at my school, I had to watch CNN 10 and they did something about it. One of the topics was Bakelite. It's been around since like 1901, I think. And it takes years to deteriorate. My grandpa says that's Bakelite, but I'm not quite sure. I mean, it doesn't look like anything snapped. Nah. I'm gonna just check up there anyways. Oh wait, I need to screw that other bolt, don't I? I need to screw that other nut. See, I mean, like, so, yep, I don't need to weatherize this if it's lasting under rain. I mean, this thing hasn't tipped over in, like, the highest winds that we get here, so I think it's gonna be fine. However, this ladder, I swear to God, screw it, that's the best I'm gonna get it, isn't it? Oh no, that's pretty close to that nut. Let's see though, did I snap that? I think that's just already like that. I think it'll be fine. think I'm done for today. Or am I? Or is my hair blocking the camera? Let's just get one good look at this. You know, I'm probably in the worst place to be standing when it's raining. I'm up on a high, tall metal ladder, pretty much on the tallest step or close, next to this metal lantern room with electrical wires made out of copper and plastic, with whatever, and a freaking solar panel. Yeah, if it was like how the mountains are getting hit right now, I'd be dead. In fact, I should probably put a lightning rod on this, shouldn't I? Not a step. Thanks for letting me know, ladder. It says that on there if you guys can't read that. Definitely gonna have to get some waterproof tape over those connectors though. I mean, like, I ain't really worried about the light that much, because I mean, really, it's the light that they'd put on the buoy, but the connectors, I think they're supposed to be like inside like an actual lighthouse room and not out in the open like they are right now. Seriously, it was built by McDermott Light Incorporated or whatever. I'll just look back over the footage, then I'll look that company up. Not safe. Why am I doing this? This how to do real stretches. Go from the bottom step of this ladder, put your arms on the top. Yeah. Great. I think I got that correct. If not, I guess my grandpa will just be like, hey, you did something wrong. And yap at me about it and be like, I'll just be like, okay, I get it. See, he'd be yapping at me for quite a little bit, probably. Not really bad though, but like, so I'd just be like, okay, yeah, let's go fix it. Then after we'd fix it, he'd just be like, okay, yeah, it's fixed now. And you see what you did wrong? And I'd be like, yeah. Won't make the mistake next time, Julio. Now I'm gonna go put this in the back of my four-wheeler again, because I don't need this anymore. So yeah, there's that. This is still recording at 12 minutes 47 seconds. Not throwing away my shot. I don't know why, but I've been listening, because of Weird Al, I've started listening to Hamilton. He made the Hamilton polka. I was like, okay, whatever sounds interesting. I'm like, holy crap, these songs actually sound kind of cool. Whatever. And yeah, great. Well, actually, I heard about Hamilton from history, but like the Broadway and Alexander Hamilton, $10 bill man. Okay, you know what? Let's just talk about the Lighthouse. It's cool. It's great. I'm clapping my hands for no reason. And yeah, it's pretty much done right now. Pretty much done. Unless I could get like a better roof for it. But I mean, the one that I got now is okay. So I'm gonna go put this layer back, and I'm gonna keep on filming because I can. Because if I ever get 1,000 subs in a little bit, I'll monetize this video and be like, hey, the extra ad revenue, am I right? I'm just kidding, it's not all about the money, but still. Okay, I swear to God. There he goes, and holy crap. And I'm just like my country, and I'm scrappy and hungry, and I'm not throwing away my shot. Mm-hmm. I think I got that solar panel up there pretty good though. The best that I could without it breaking. But like... Okay, I did not mean to do that, but luckily I didn't break anything. There we go. Then this ladder is gonna be hell. And that, again, that little garbage can lid that's up there is mainly to protect it from bird crap. Of course, it's not gonna fully protect it from the rain because, well, wind plus rain changes the direction of the rain, making it blow rain into the lantern room, which is why I wish I can like get glass for that or something, but like, one, too expensive, also two, extremely difficult to do with the door right there, so it's pretty much like impossible with that door up there that I have to use sometimes. I mean, really, out of all this, the lantern room took the longest time. Here, I'll explain the story about this in like another video. But this tower was left unpainted for like 8 years. And I come on and I paint it. And I'll explain more later, but yeah. That's just like, oh, okay. And then I move it from Utah to where I live. Okay, I'm probably mumbling. Darn it. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're not so much talking, because this ladder is actually surprisingly heavy and hard to move. Because it's kind of like, needs, let me just say, it needs like WD-40s at some place, because like, holy crap. Come on. Come on, you piece of crap. You can do it. No. There we go. Now we're talking out. Put this one back there, so I'm gonna have to use it again anyways. Putting this one closer by. Yeah. Mm-hmm.